morning, students. It's always really very nice speaking with you all. And now today we are speaking on a very important aspect. It is the Earth Day. The Earth, either due to our need or due to our greed. But it is time now that we think about restoring the Earth. Think about practicing such methods which will help in protecting and conserving our environment rather than destroying the environment. And water drips out of that is also abusing the environment, and it will be a big problem for the future generation when there will be no water. So think about it, students. It's time that we think, it's time that we act, and it's time that we together work harder for restoring our earth, because the theme of 2021 Earth Day is together we can restore our earth.
Not only is Earth Day a day meant to increase awareness of environmental problems, but it is also becoming a popular time for many communities to gather to clean up litter, plant trees, or simply reflect on the beauty of nature. So as we go about celebrating Earth Month and Earth Day, it's worth reflecting on how far we have come since last year's Earth Day. It has been a dark year, but this Earth Day, the future looks brighter. People worldwide have strongly survived and fought the deadly pandemic, and we need to think what we can learn from this success that can be applied to solving complex environmental problems such as climate change. The pandemic and climate change have a lot in common, and this is what is believed by various scientists and leaders. So it is being said.
Hello friends, good morning to all of you. You know that this year we have to observe Earth Day. Earth Day means celebrate that save our earth. Yes, our earth is going to be polluted by global warming, pollution, and so many problems are coming out. To save it, plant a tree and save life. Yes, it is our responsibility that we have to conserve our earth. So, it is not your mind.
Don't make trees rare, keep them with care. It's imperative that we conserve trees so that our lives aren't as affected. Take care of trees, they will take care of you. Nature is all about to give and take.
Global warming, ozone layer depletion, newspapers with heading, air pollution is increasing day by day. People are using oxygen masks due to the decrease in oxygen.
Plants help to keep the environment clean and green. So we should plant more and more number of plants in our environment so as to reduce pollution.
Let's do our bit and save it for tomorrow. Let us promise to plant one tree, one person every year, and we will have a much greener and happier planet to live. It is our responsibility.